everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah. I'm from the Bantul High School. Today, I want to make a picture frame from newspapers or magazine. First of all, you have to prepare ingredients. They are: the first one is newspapers or magazine with contrasting colors. The second is cardboard box. The third is scissors. The fourth is cutter. The fifth is glue. The sixth is double tip. The seventh is roller. And the last one is photo you want to display. Then here's the steps. First, cut 2 pieces of cardboard box 5 cm bigger than the photo to be framed. Second, take one of cardboard box and cut the middle part for the photo. Then, adjust the size so that it's not small and too big. Three, glue the 2 cardboard box on the sides and bottom of cardboard box. Four, cut the papers or magazine with scissors into different lengths. Then cut into small pieces. After that, glue them together. Fifth, arrange the paper rolls on the side of cardboard frame. Then glue them together. Six, make the stem with cardboard box. Then attach it to the back of the frame. Insert the potato on the side of the frame. Yay! The button frame is finished. You can put in your as decoration.
Thank you, that's all for me. Good luck, try good self at home. Bye.